Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So on your Excel sheet, whenever you try to copy the dates and then whenever you try to copy, you see this create event pop-up. So you see a pop-up like this create event, and if you want to get rid of it, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now for this, open Windows settings and then go to system and then scroll down and then click on clipboard. Now once you click on clipboard, over here in my case I don't see the option, but in your case if you see the option which says suggested action, so when you go to clipboard like this, now you will see suggested action, get suggestion for action when you copy a date, time or phone number. So if this is turned on, you have to turn this off. So turn off suggested action, and once you turn it off, next time when you try to copy the date, you will not receive this pop-up anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.